I'm back with the top 5 electric vehicle news for the month of November 2020. We have news about VW EV software, Electrify America, charging stations in India, Tesla Model S record range, and Porsche Taycan market share. Keep on watching to know more. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do it now to get videos about electric vehicle technology, news, reviews, project ideas, and more. The first news is VW focus on software to compete with Tesla in another 5 years. VW is one of the top car makers in Europe. They had launched electric cars such as e-Golf, e-Up, ID3, ID4, etc. Volkswagen believes that the software plays an important role in electric vehicles. They know that the one place there they don't seem to have edge is the software. VW sees Tesla as major rival and would like to close the gap with Tesla by focusing more on future software. They have been working to sell some 26 million electric cars by 2030. To fuel the process, VW plans to allocate more money for digitalization, artificial intelligence, and autonomous cars. The plan is a 100% increase in the funding for software-related efforts and 6% increase for the battery electric car programs. Let's hope this helps VW to grow their business in coming years. Can VW beat Tesla in electric car competitions? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The second news is about Electrify America. The Electrify America is to install 19 more fast charging stations. Unibail Rodamco Westfield is a global commercial real estate developer. The Electrify America come up with an agreement with URW to install 19 more fast charging stations at the Westfield shopping centers in the United States. It is planning to install more than 100 charging stations by end of 2021. So it will be over 5 chargers per location. California gets 12 charging stations and other 6 states gets remaining 7 charging stations. Electrify America currently has more than 500 electric vehicle charging stations and over 2,200 chargers. The third news is 400 electric vehicle charging stations to set up across Andhra Pradesh. The state government had decided to set up 400 electric vehicle charging stations across Andhra Pradesh. The Energy Secretary of Andhra Pradesh State Energy Conservation Mission, Srikanth Nagulapalli, confirmed that the government is taking actions to establish charging stations at every 25 kilometers on national highways. We have a video about how to set up a charging station business in India. There we explained about the nodal agencies to set up charging stations. The Non-Conventional Energy Development Corporation of Andhra Pradesh Limited was nominated as nodal agency by the state government. In addition to these efforts, the state government is considering a proposal to study the real performance impact of providing electric two-wheelers to ward and village secretariat staff. These activities would help out to implement the plan of Government of India for fast adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles. The fourth news is about the Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S gets a record range of 409 miles. The Model S Long Range Plus was the longest range electric car from Tesla that had a range of 402 miles, that is 647 km. Now they are delivering electric cars that could travel more distance. The latest model has a range of 409 miles, that is 658 km. It is 1.7% more than the previous versions. The November version of Tesla Model S Long Range Plus is the longest range electric car in the market now. Interestingly, the new car is slightly less efficient but gets more range. How does it happen? It might be the use of high density energy cells in the batteries. Tesla has not revealed anything about this, and let's wait for the news from them. Earlier, the Lucid Air was the longest range electric car in the world. It has a range of 406 miles. Now with this update, Tesla beats Lucid Air. The fifth news is Porsche Taycan sales to surpass target of 20,000 this year. It's quite an achievement in this corona pandemic time to surpass the target sales of electric vehicles. During the first 9 months of 2020, Porsche sold 10,955 Taycans globally. They are planning to sell over 9,000 units this quarter to surpass their target. The company has some other plans to increase the plug-in car sales up 50% of overall car sales by 2025. That's all for this month. If you would like to know more Tata Nexon EV subscription plan, then here is a video for you. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to not miss any of the video notifications from this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.